Yo, what's going on YouTube? AJ here. How y'all doing today? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be reacting to more Poofesure. This is I play Choicest's voice, and it makes me wheeze. Now, this obviously is some Mario Party game, obviously, since we see Goomba, Birdo, Koopa Troopa, Dry Bones, and Shy Guy, and Toad. So I'm not sure. I think this almost the quality of it makes it look like it's Mario Party Island Tour for the 3DS. So if that's that, then that's pretty good. Because a lot of people don't even like that game. A lot of people say Mario Party turned out bad ever since Hudson Soft after, the GameCube. Honestly, some of them, they're good. They were still good. Like Party 8 was fun. Party 9 I haven't played yet, but from all the videos I've seen, it is fun. Party 10 is pretty alright though. But yeah. So Choice's voice, I never heard that before. I think that might be a feature in a Mario Party that I may or may not have played. So this is new to me. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. Alright, so without further ado, let's react to Poofesure. I play Choice's voice, and it makes me wheeze.
I have finally acquired a Nintendo 3DS with a capture card so that I can now play Nintendo 3DS games actually on a Nintendo 3DS instead of emulator. So that's going to be an interesting situation for my Tamagotchi Life fans because the whole series up to this point has been on my computer and there's no way to transfer it to 3DS. So potentially we're going to have to start from step 1 on Tamagotchi Life again. But the first game I'm playing on the Nintendo 3DS clearly is not Tamagotchi Life. It is Mario Island Tour, or Mario Party Island Tour. There is one particular reason why this game is the first game that I'm playing, and that's because it has came to my attention that there's a mini game in this game that you try to impersonate the voice of Mario characters, and I thought it was pretty ridiculous, so I am going to play that. We're going to be Toad. Extras, maybe? I don't know. The Choicest voice. There it is. So you use your microphone to imitate a character. Listen to the character's voice and then perform your best impression.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Yeah. I got to try to make the voice
this
of
got
Mario
me wanting
characters,
to try right now. I know
my Toad is going to be on point, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do on other ones. Please be a Toad impression first. Hello, Blue Toad. 3 impressions and score 90 points or more to win. Okay, this is going to take like 20 seconds, isn't it? And this is what this is what I'm going into this video trying to record for here. Or wait, what? That's what I'm going into recording for an entire video based on a 20-second minigame. Before we get started, let's warm up the microphone, shall we? Okay, please face the mic and perform your best impression. Put your heart into it. Yes. Do it. Yes. Sounds beautiful.
Oh, man.
Sounds beautiful. Okay, I don't think I need to be testing anymore. That sounded pretty good to me. All right, Blue Toad says I'm good, so let's do it.
Yo, he looks so adorable,
I gotta impersonate first.
Okay. Radio. Wow,
wow, wow, wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Wow, 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 wow. Well, hopefully I got that one right. Let's listen to my performance.
Oh, God, yo. This is something I have to try, man.
Let's see what the judges think. Decision time.
Damn, only Shy Guy broke. Okay, all those that Koopa Troopa like this.
Wait, that's good? Wait, that was good? I thought you wanted to sound like Wario, not Toad.
Well, that was pretty good.
I don't fucking understand how I did a good job on that one. I am so far away from my microphone, but it's picking it up as ear rape. I don't know. I'm going to put my DS further away here. I'm going to hope this goes better. Oh, boy, what do we got to say?
It's Luigi time.
It's Luigi time.
Oh, boy. It's Luigi time.
I may have probably pulled it off too.
It's Luigi.
It's Luigi. That's it. That sounded pretty good. I think that's perfect. It's so hard to talk at the right time for this.
Like. Alright, I'm in the way, so drive on Shy Guy.
The judges are fucking impressed. Except the Goomba.
Goomba's never impressed.
Damn, I'm really good at this.
That's another 40 points.
Oh no.
Oh God, Peach.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That was way too girly.
Actually might have nailed that.
Girly.
I have a pretty good girl voice.
Oh no.
I feel tippy as fuck about the
Oh my, I think I'm probably gonna nail this one. Uh-oh.
Okay.
I thought that was the best sounding one yet.
Damn, only 2.
Wow. They really don't like that one. I think I got 90 points, so what do I get for it? 100 points, look at that.
A perfect 100.
We nailed it on our first try. That's what I got this game to play. I don't know what to do now that I've played it. Well...
Please play it again.
That's Choicest voice. That's the whole thing. I'll be goddamned. We're gonna play Choicest voice again, but we're not gonna pick Toad. Because then maybe I'll get Toad as one of the choices. Don't know about this one. I think my DS is about to die.
Oh man,
maybe that's why my mic is off.
That's a hard one though.
Oh, what could you possibly decide on that one? Holy shit! 2 of them at least.
Wow.
I think I need to plug this thing in, otherwise it's gonna die. Okay, now we should be good. Crisis averted. My DS is not gonna die. Not bad for round 1. Wario doesn't seem to think so on that. Round 2. Warm up those vocal cords. Who could it be?
Koopa Kid.
Bowser.
Oh, Bowser.
Okay, I might do decent on this.
I can't.
I don't know. That's a pretty weird voice line there. This is pretty spot on in my
This is so
my
amazing,
humble opinion. Let's see what the judges think. Are you fucking kidding me? Only 2 of you
only
think it sounded alike?
2 votes again.
That's bullshit.
Got 40 points. That has to get like at least 3 to 4.
That's probably the worst one.
1, 2.
Oh shit! Oh, I got 3 of them to go on it on that time. 70. Shit, we failed at Choicest voice.
Go on, try it again.
I think we need to play that again. We're just gonna keep on playing this minigame until I get enough content for a video. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
This has got to be the one. This has got. Oh no. That just looks like too much volume the entire time.
That was way too much. That was an ear rape right there.
Let's see. I don't know. This might actually go over well. Maybe 3? No. These judges fucking blow. That still sounded like Toad, even though it was way distorted. These judges have been hard asses on me lately. Seriously, only 2 of you. These judges are throwing the fucking game. I'm just gonna say something completely different from the voice line on this next one and see if they give me a better score. Mario! But I can do this one so good. Mario!
Mario! Come on, this gotta be a good one. That still was there.
As you can tell, I can do this voice very well.
Wait, stop. Hold on a sec. Imagine if the original voice actor of Mario, Luigi, Wario, and Waluigi actually played this right here. He would just kill it so perfectly. Imagine if he fully played this. Or maybe he did. I don't know. Imagine if he did, though. It would be so crazy.
That's it. I am shit-talking these judges. This is a fucking ghost. How are you supposed to imitate this? How am I supposed to make that noise? These judges suck dick. I think I got my message across that time. These judges suck dick.
Dang, and Nintendo game allowed you to say that.
Yeah. See what they think.
Bro, she of course like that. Oh, the go.
How does that get the most votes?
Oh man. Oh, the Shy Guy.
That doesn't even make sense. I think either that or they just agreed with me. That's a weird toad sound. Suck my balls. Finish. Suck my balls.
Oh no.
Don't fucking get this game.
Of course she puts it up.
I do better not impersonating the voices. I guess. I don't know how much this game really judges you or not. Suck my nipples. Finish. Suck my nipples.
What? Yo!
This doesn't make sense
at
all.
It really doesn't, though. It really doesn't.
Oh my. Whatever. Apparently they're into nipple play. I need to keep on building on the nipples. Squeegee my nipple. Hopefully they got what that was saying. See what they think. We fucking did it. Whoa, we got 100 points again. We won. We won not saying the right thing or even remotely close to the right thing once. I guess the secret to Choicest voice is to talk about your nipples. The judges love it. What is this? Bowser's Tower. What happens at Bowser's Tower? Yeah, I'm not feeling these other mini games or anything. I think that Choicest voice is what I needed to play, and Choicest voice is what I played, so I think I'm done for the day.
Yo, that was really impressive. But this is something, I can't believe how I played Mario Party Island Tour and I never noticed that game. I never noticed it. This was a complete shock though. And of course with Poop playing it, it makes it more fun as hell to play. Instead of just mocking the voice, just say whatever. But hey, he won like twice or so that's a good thing right there. I totally want to try this game. I might try it off camera though. Because I haven't played Party Island Tour in so long, and I might try it. If I had a capture card, I'd do a Let's Play on that one. Alright, so that was Poofesure. I played Choicest voice, and it makes me wheeze. If you guys enjoyed that reaction, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on. The link to the original video will be in the description. Also, you guys can check out more of my Poofesure reactions. The playlist will be in the description too. Check me out on my social media. Also, don't forget to check me out on my Discord. If you want to talk privately or talk to one another, go and support each other with YouTube, Twitch, and much other. The link to will be in the description to the chat. Also made a backup channel too in case anything goes wrong with this channel. So you guys go subscribe to that one. Alright. That's going to be about it. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Have an awesome day. Stay safe.